Hi again and welcome to this session trading binary option in IQ option. Yeah, I believe that IQ option is better than Forex. We have another strategy that will teach you exactly how you trade Forex, but less profitable than the buy now strategy. And the buy now strategy is an easy strategy to learn that will teach you, let you trade binary without losing your balance. Because trading binary option is a lot riskier than trading Forex. So, as advice for you guys, if you don't have a good strategy to trade binary option, avoid it. Avoid trading binary option unless you have a good strategy, a strategy that guarantee you at least not losing your balance. If you have 25% winning rate, you are at risk trading binary option, but 25% winning in Forex, that's good. So I advise you guys to learn the buy now strategy. The course is in the link of this video. Purchase it from buynow.com. Sorry. You will receive a course with 16 episodes teaching you everything about the buy now strategy, a strategy that will let you trade binary options as an expert, avoiding losing decisions. Yeah. I'm still trading in my client's account. Today also you can find good signals. Yeah, 25 of April. Yeah.